taping. There we go. Went to Costco. Here's, we've got paper towels. We got toilet tissue. We get the Charmin Ultra Soft. We got some steaks here. We've got, these are the filet mignons. We put these in the freezer, and then when we're ready for them, we'll get them out. I got 2 of these Neutrogena towelettes. Let me show you what's in here. I think it's on the outside. Here we go. You get 4 of the travel ones, 2 of the bigger ones. Well, you know what? I don't know. Let's see what it says here. 4 refills, 25 count, 2 travel refills, and 3 single-use packs. So we have not tried these. These are new ones that has the single ones. I'm looking forward to using those. There we go. All right, we got some crackers. Ron loves these, so we got these toasty, cheesy things, or toast cheese, 40 pack. We've got the Moog House half and half. We put these in our coffee. We got some Gala apples, and these are so sweet and so good. I think you'll like them. And I always get them when they're a little redder. They're sweeter when they're that way. We've noticed that anyway. I've got 3 seedless cucumbers, and I use these in salads. I even just cut them up, salt and pepper or lemon pepper on them, and they're really good. And last but not least, we got these lemon bites, and I'm taking this to a party. We'll put it on a real pretty tray or a little dish and take it to a Mardi Gras party that we're going to this week. So anyway, there you go. We've got these little haul. I just wanted to show you what we got this time. We really enjoyed going to Costco, and I think you will too. Love you guys. Hope you have a great day. Be kind. Be kinder than they are. And don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Until tomorrow.